Good morning, students. Uh, Yesterday we have done conductance, conductivity. Now we have to do about molar conductivity, which is represented by lambda m. The symbol is lambda m. So what is molar conductivity? The definition is it is the conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 mole of an electrolyte in solution. It is represented by lambda m. So what is the meaning of molar conductivity? Suppose there is a solution and in the solution you apply some electrolyte, and suppose your electrolyte is sodium chloride. You know, electrolyte means the substance which can produce ions. So when sodium chloride is dissolved in water, it produces Na plus N, Cl minus N. Now if you dissolve exactly 1 mole of NaCl in water, then how many ions will produce, and that number of ions will produce how much conducting power? That is called the molar conductivity. I mean, to get the molar conductivity, you have to dissolve exactly 1 mole of the electrolyte. If you dissolve sodium chloride, as you know, sodium chloride molar mass is 58.5 gram. So exactly you have to dissolve 58.5 gram of the sodium chloride. Then you will get the conductivity, which is called the molar conductivity. So to get the molar conductivity, the electrolyte which is used to dissolve in water, that electrolyte must be 1 mole, and that is why it is given, it is the conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 mole of an electrolyte in solution. Similarly, if you use the electrolyte sulfuric acid, suppose you use sulfuric acid in your solution, so then also you have to use exactly 1 mole of sulfuric acid. 1 mole of sulfuric acid means you have to apply, the molar mass of sulfuric acid is 98 gram. So 98 gram of sulfuric acid you have to dissolve in water. Then how much conductivity you will get? That conductivity is called molar conductivity. Molar conductivity is represented by the symbol lambda m, and its unit is ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. This is the unit of lambda m. Now that one is equivalent conductivity, which is represented by lambda EQ. The definition is it is the conducting power of all the ions produced by dissolving 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte in solution. And the equation is lambda EQ is equal kappa into 1000 by C, and here molar conductivity kappa into 1000 by M. Here M is in terms of molarity, I mean concentration in terms of molarity, and in that equation that is C. C means that is the concentration in terms of normality. Unit of lambda m, ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. Unit of lambda EQ, I mean equivalent conductivity, ohm inverse centimeter square equivalent inverse. What is the difference between this molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity? As you have already got, to get molar conductivity you have to dissolve how much? Exactly 1 mole of the electrolyte. But to get the equivalent conductivity, when you dissolve the electrolyte you have to apply 1 gram equivalent of the electrolyte. What is the meaning of 1 gram equivalent? 1 gram equivalent means the equivalent mass of the electrolyte. When you take 1 mole, you have to take molar mass, and when you take 1 gram equivalent, then it is called the equivalent mass of the electrolyte. As you know, suppose sulfuric acid, its molar mass is how much? 98 gram per mole. So when you dissolve 98 gram, that means 1 mole you have dissolved, and then you will get molar conductivity. But what is the equivalent mass of your sulfuric acid? To determine equivalent mass, since it is acid, so molar mass divided by basicity. Basicity means how much releasable hydrogen present here. So divided by 2, because it can release 2 hydrogen. So you will get 49. So 49 is the equivalent mass of sulfuric acid, and 98 is the molar mass of sulfuric acid. When you dissolve molar mass, you will get molar conductivity, and if you dissolve 49 gram sulfuric acid, then you will get equivalent conductivity. So molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity both are different. To get molar conductivity you have to dissolve 1 mole, I mean you have to apply molar mass, and to get equivalent conductivity you have to dissolve 1 gram equivalent, that means you have to dissolve equivalent mass of the electrolyte. Always remember, unit of molar conductivity ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse, and unit of lambda eq ohm inverse centimeter square equivalent inverse. And to determine molar conductivity, to determine equivalent conductivity, you can use this equation. Both are related with conductivity kappa. Lambda m is equal kappa into 1000 by m. So if conductivity and molarity is given, you can find out lambda m. Similarly, if conductivity and normality is given, you can find out lambda eq. So both are related with the conductivity. To find out lambda m, to find out lambda eq, you should know about conductivity kappa. So like this way you can find out lambda m and lambda eq. Thank you.